Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Theta Network, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction. What's the price changes occur in the Theta Network. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Theta Network. So guys, the currently live price of the Theta Network in the market is 6.42 USD dollar. 6.42 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Theta Network in the market. And especially in this video, I warning all of you. That is a warning video for all of you because the changes of the Theta Network is completely going wrong. Just look here, guys. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 1 week. These all changes occur in the Theta Network is completely going low. So that's why I'm warning all of you that the changes is going wrong. So what should we do at this time? I'm worrying about that, guys. Anyways, guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? Also share in the comment box. But guys, you know what? Now from last week the price falls down, and still I believe I know about that. I'm sure that the price of Theta Network will pump in the next month. So that's why I'm telling you that hold, guys, hold. In the future, there's again possibilities that the price pumps. So just hold, don't decide to sell. And for instance, guys, if you decide to sell, so that's clear that the changes is a negative. You are in the loss. If you decide to sell, you are in the loss. But if you hold, possibilities, guys, that the upcoming dip the price take a quick jump, a huge pump. So don't miss this chance and don't lose hope, guys. Hope you like this update video, guys. If you like, so subscribe me now, ABS Tech channel, for more updates and news videos about the cryptocurrencies market. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.